日本語の皆さんこんばんは。皆さん元気ですか？先生は元気ですよ。では始めましょう。起立、気をつけ、礼、お願いします。So hopefully you guys are hanging in there with your elongated time at home. I wanted to pick up today and continue on our discussion of tari tari. Today, instead of tari tari shimasu, which we use with verbs, we're going to do something different, tari tari des. And so we're going to use adjectives. And as you remember, when we did tari tari shimasu, we needed the ta form of the verb. And so today we need to first talk about what the ta form of an adjective is. And so what is the ta form? Really, it's the plain past form of the verb, or in this case, the adjective. And so what is the past form? So let's get right to it with some of our I and na adjectives. So we have an I adjective, tanoshii, all right? You might pick tsumaranai, but I chose tanoshii, right? And shizuka, all right? And so how do we make this into the past tense? And so the formal one would be tanoshikatta desu, but informally we would just say tanoshikatta, okay? And so we have tanoshikatta. Now shizuka, formally we would say shizuka deshita, right? But here it's shizuka datta. This is what we call a ta form, or the plain past form of adjectives, okay? So we can use this just for informal speech, shizuka datta, or tanoshikatta, right? That makes it informal. Or in this case, we're going to add ri on the end, and so it can be tanoshikatta ri. Okay, so what does this tari tari desu mean? So we had tari tari shimasu is I do things like this, etc., right? But with these, a lot of times we use two things that are opposed to each other, or different from each other. And so say if somebody, we always talk about the weather, and they're like, tenki wa dou desu ka? And you're like, sometimes it's samui, sometimes it's atsui. So we can use this pattern to deal with it. And so what's the ta form for samui? Samukatta, right? Atsui, atsukatta. So we would say, they're like, tenki wa dou desu ka? You could say, samukatta ri, atsukatta ri desu. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot. Nice vague answer. And somebody comes up to you and you're like, Saikin isogashii desu ka? Recently, are you busy? And you're like, isogashii? Hima? Sometimes I'm super busy, sometimes I'm super free. And so, what's our ta form for here? Isogashii would be isogashikatta. What about hima? Be hima datta, right? And so we can say isogashikatta ri, hima datta ri desu. Okay? It's pretty straightforward. It's not a real hard pattern to learn, but just remembering the difference between, with the verbs, we do tari tari shimasu for I do this, this, and other things. And here we have tari tari desu for sometimes it's this, sometimes it's this, all right? So just real quick, we're going to be having class on Wednesday. I will get to see all of you. I've posted the school loop. You guys are broken down into 3 groups for when you will have your class. We'll just have a 30-minute class together, but it's going to give me a chance to kind of go over, check in with you on some of these things and get you guys talking and that sort of stuff. So please, just over the next couple days, come up with a couple things that you can talk about in terms of your days, using 2 adjectives that are kind of opposed to each other. Okay, so that's about it for here. 頑張ってください. Hang in there. 終わりましょう. 起立。気をつけ。礼。ありがとうございました。また水曜日